Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can be able to fix Samsung front load washing machine error code 4C. It's not something difficult, so I'm gonna share with you the steps so you can know what to do in that case, okay? So now I am going to my phone, and the first thing that we need to do is to go, like for me, I'm gonna go to my browser, and that's the article that's gonna show you how you can solve that problem. It's from their official website of Samsung. So the first step that you need to do is to check the water hose, okay? And then the second step, which is you need to check the water supply. And after, what you need to do is to clean the water hose mesh filter. All right, and then the last step, which is you need to clean dispenser drawer, okay? And each step, it has some guidelines. So guys, as you can see, these are the steps from the official website of Samsung in order to fix Samsung front load washing machine error code 4C. I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.